Claude will convince you that all your ideas are genius unless you do this one thing. This is a series where I show you how to use Claude more effectively to get an edge on your competitors. Say you're thinking about raising your prices. You go to Claude and ask it, should I do this? Of course it's gonna say yes. You basically already told it the answer you wanted by how you asked the question. That's like asking your buddy for advice who already knows you're hoping he's gonna say yes. Anytime I have an idea, instead of looking for a yes man, I ask Claude to be my devil's advocate. I say, steel man, the strongest version of the opposite decision. Now Claude has to argue the opposite point of my idea, like the price increase is gonna give me all the reasons I shouldn't do that. It's like a lawyer defending the other side in court, even though it knows that that is not what you want to hear. For example, I'll say something like, hey, I'm thinking about increasing my prices from $75 to $100 a month. Steel man, the strongest version of the opposite decision. Now Claude's gonna come back with real reasons why some of my customers might decide to take their business down the street instead. I break down tips like this every single day that you can use to grow your business using AI. So follow me so you don't miss the next one.